Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so good to be here again.
It is. How are you doing today, David? You seem very happy. You have a big smile.
I am very happy today. I had a really fun morning.
Oh, a fun morning? Tell me.
Well, I finally did it. I bought a new bicycle.
A bicycle! Wow, David, that is great news.
Yes, I am so excited. I want to ride it this weekend.
What color is it?
It is bright red. I will go very fast.
A fast red bicycle. I love that.
And you, Anna, how are you?
I am doing great, thank you. I have my big cup of tea.
Lovely. I have my coffee today. So we are ready to chat?
We are, but wait, David, before we start our chat.
Oh, yes, a good idea. Everyone listening, welcome. We are so happy you are here with us.
Yes, and if you like our podcast, please take a moment to click that like button. It really helps us.
And please subscribe to Daily English Practice Channel. That way you won't miss our new episodes.
And share this with your friends. If they are learning English, maybe they will like our chat too.
Yes, thank you. Okay, Anna, so I have a funny story.
Oh, a story. I love your stories. Is it about the red bicycle?
No, not the bicycle. This story is from work.
Oh, work. A good story or a bad story?
A very funny story. Yesterday at my office,
Yes.
yesterday was pet day.
Pet day? What is pet day?
It is a day where you can bring your pet to the office.
What, really? Your dog?
Yes, people brought their dogs and their cats.
Oh, I do not think that is a good idea, David.
It was crazy.
Tell me.
Okay, so my boss, Mr. Henderson,
Mr. Henderson, yes, the serious boss.
yes, he has a pet, a very, very small dog, a little white dog.
Oh, that is cute.
Yes, and my colleague, Sarah, you know Sarah?
Yes, Sarah is very quiet.
Yes, Sarah brought her cat, a very big cat,
A big cat?
a big, fat, orange cat.
His name is Garfield.
Yes.
Of course.
So the office is quiet, and then the cat sees the dog.
Uh-oh.
The little white dog is yap, 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 yap.
Oh, no.
And the big orange cat, it jumped.
Where?
It jumped onto the desk, onto Mr. Henderson's desk.
No.
Yes, and Mr. Henderson's coffee.
Oh, David.
Coffee everywhere, all over the big report.
The report? Was he angry?
He was not angry. He was surprised. His face, he just said, "Oh, my."
Oh, my.
And the cat, it was scared. It ran. And the dog, it ran too.
Oh, what a mess.
But wait, my other colleague, Tom,
Funny Tom.
he brought a pet too.
A dog, a cat, a fish.
Yes, a small fish in a small bowl.
He put it on his desk. That is a safe pet.
No, the big orange cat, it saw the fish.
Oh, no. The cat ran to the fish?
Yes, the cat jumped onto Tom's desk. And Tom, he grabbed the bowl. He shouted, "No, Garfield, this is Swimmy."
Swimmy?
Yes. So yesterday at my office, we have a dog barking, a cat running, coffee on the floor, and Tom saving his fish, Swimmy.
That is the funniest work story ever.
It was crazy. I think no more pet day at work.
I think that is a good idea. My days are not that fun.
Oh, what about you, Anna? How is your week?
My week is good. You know, I am not at an office. I am studying.
Oh, that's right. You are taking a class.
Yes, I am taking a cooking class.
A cooking class? Wow, Anna, that is fantastic.
It is fantastic, but Anna,
Yes.
I am a very bad cook.
No, you are not.
I am. Listen, last night we learned to make pasta.
Pasta. I love pasta.
Me too. I love to eat pasta. Making pasta is very, very difficult.
Oh,
We make the dough, flour and eggs and water,
yes.
and you must roll it. It is very, very hard work. My arms were so tired.
It is exercise.
Yes, a pasta workout.
So what happened?
The teacher, she is very nice. Her name is Rosa.
She said, "Okay, Anna, your pasta is ready. Put it in the hot water."
Okay, easy.
Anna,
Yes?
I put the pasta in the water and
It stuck together.
oh no.
Yes, it was not pasta. It was one big pasta ball.
A pasta ball?
Yes, a big, heavy ball. The teacher, Rosa, she said, Anna, that is interesting.
Interesting. That is a bad word in a cooking class.
I know. So I tried to fix it. I used a big spoon
Okay.
and I tried to pick up the pasta ball and it slipped.
Slipped?
Yes, the pasta ball, it jumped out of the pot.
Okay. It jumped?
Yes, and it hit the wall.
No.
Yes, and there was a big white sticky pasta ball on the wall.
Oh, Anna.
Everyone stopped. Everyone looked at the wall. I was so red. My face was like a tomato.
A tomato. Perfect for pasta.
Yes, the teacher, she just looked at the wall and looked at me and she started to laugh.
Oh, good.
She said, "Okay, that is a new way to cook pasta."
That is so funny.
So, yes, I am a very bad cook, but the class is very fun.
That is wonderful. My family, they love to cook.
Oh, your family. How is your family, David?
They are great. Thank you for asking. I visited my parents last weekend.
Oh, that is lovely. How are they?
They are good. They are very happy. My dad is very funny.
Your dad? Why?
He got a new phone, a smartphone.
A smartphone. That is difficult for many people.
Yes, for my dad, it is a mystery.
Oh, no.
He tries to call me, but he calls the wrong person.
Oh,
Yes, on Sunday, my phone rings. I answer, "Hello,"
yes?
and it is a man. The man says, "Hello, do you want to order a large pizza?"
A pizza place?
Yes, my dad called the pizza place. He wanted to call me.
How?
I don't know. And my dad, he was so confused. He said, "No, I want to talk to David."
Oh, your poor dad.
And the camera. Oh, Anna, the camera is hard.
The camera is hard.
He does not understand the selfie. He wants to take a picture of me, but he holds the phone and the camera is on him. So I have maybe 20 pictures of my dad's face.
Very close pictures.
Yes, a picture of his nose, a picture of his ear, and he's talking in the picture. He says, "It is broken. I only see my ear. David, this phone is not good."
That is very sweet, actually.
I tried to show him, "Dad, just push this little button."
And
He pushed the button and he started a video.
a video of his ear.
Yes, a 5-minute video.
It is just brrr.
And my dad says, "Why is it red? This silly phone."
Oh, David, you must save that video.
I did. It is my favorite video. I love my dad.
That is a wonderful story. Families are the best.
Yes. What about your family, Anna? How is your sister?
Oh, my sister is great. She is busy with work, always work.
Ah, yes.
But I have a story about my friend.
Oh, a friend story.
Yes, my friend Maria.
Maria, your best friend. The one who is getting married?
No, that is another Maria. This is Maria from my cooking class.
Ah, the girl who saw the pasta on the wall.
Yes, she is so funny.
What did she do?
She bought a new car.
Oh, nice. A new car is very exciting.
Yes, but David, this car.
What? What is wrong with the car?
It is bright pink.
Pink? Like light pink?
No, hot pink. Very, very bright pink.
Wow, a hot pink car.
Yes, and it is very, very, very small.
Small?
Tiny. It is like a toy car.
A tiny hot pink car.
Yes, so yesterday we went for a ride.
Oh, fun.
It was so funny, David. We are in this tiny pink car, and we stop at a red light,
Okay.
and next to us is a very big truck, a giant truck. The truck driver says he is very big, he has a big beard. He looked down at our little pink car, and he smiled and he waved.
That's nice.
And Maria, she is crazy. She waved back and she honked the horn.
Hunk?
No, not
No.
honk. The horn. It was,
No.
yes, me. It was the smallest, funniest sound.
Oh, it was the smallest, funniest sound. Me porn.
I laughed so hard I cried. The truck driver was laughing too.
That is the best car ever.
I know. She said it is a happy car.
I love that. Friends are so much fun.
They really are. It is so good to laugh.
Wow, Anna, look at the time.
Ooh, wow. Time flies when we're talking.
Yes, it does. We talked about crazy pets at work
And pasta on the wall.
and dads with new phones.
Tiny meep cars.
Yes, it was a very funny chat today.
It was. I feel very happy now.
Me too. And thank you everyone for listening to our chat.
Yes, thank you so much. We are so happy you are here.
We hope you liked our stories today.
Yes. And please don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Practice channel.
And click the like button if you had fun with us today.
And please share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
And we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes.
In the comments below, please tell us a funny story.
Yes, tell us a funny story about your work, your family, or your friends.
We love reading your stories in English.
We do. It is the best part of our week.
Great. See you next time, Anna.
Bye, David. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.